I wanted to take a second to give you a hint on what you can do to make your future life simpler. Make your future self happier. So whenever you're installing something like this, or something, a lot of piping or underground electrical wiring or anything like that, take a picture of it before you cover it up. Now I've got another video that I just finished. It's probably the video prior to this one, and I put in an aerator to go into my septic tank. I took pictures of it before I covered it up. I did a video to myself just explaining how it's hooked up and how it works, and then I just did a video about where the door is, the hatch that you pull to pump the septic tank out, because it's actually underneath here. So when I did it just a couple of weeks ago, it was kind of difficult to find. So this time I know all I got to do is pull this valve box out and then dig down about 6 inches and I'll be to it. So I left myself video notes on what I would do in the future in order to service this area. So think about that whenever you're doing something that you're going to cover up, because when you come back in 10 years or something like that and try to find the items that you need to find or to service it in some way, it can be really helpful to know where things are. I've even had times where I would put down a tape measure and measure from anything that you can actually see, like this riser here. You can say, okay, you can measure back and say, okay, you need to go back 5 feet and dig down 1.5 feet and you'll find it. But if you're putting in an electrical line and you've got joints or something like that, those are the things you want to be able to mark. Anyway, hope this helps you. Thank you for watching.